Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to do an unboxing, a handbag unboxing. It is from the brand Demellier, which I have unboxed a couple items before, but I did end up returning both of them after discussing it here on my channel. It just did not fit my style. Both sizes of the same style did not work for me, and I thought instead of trying to make it work, I would just wait to get another one. I did really like the quality, the craftsmanship of Demellier bags, at least the two that I got, so I was just waiting for another opportunity, which I finally got another opportunity because I saw that there was a sale on the website, which I think it's still going on right now. So I will list the link below for the items that are on sale. But if you'd like to see what I got, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. So around the same time as this Demellier package, I also bought another handbag from The Horse. I don't know which one will go live first. They both had a sale around the same time and I ordered both of them and they both arrived around the same time. So I'm trying to get them, filmed and edited. So if you have not seen that one, I will link it below, or maybe if it hasn't gone live yet, it will come up on my channel soon. But just letting you know, today is the Demellier unboxing. So let's get into that and see what I got. All right, so it comes in this box right here. A bag, a life for every item you purchase. We fund life-saving vaccines and medical treatments aimed to save the lives of children in need. So that's great. Here is the receipt. Oh, okay. So this is the box that's empty now. And it does get shipped with a little shopping bag. How cute. This is like paper. So, and it says Demellier on it. I love that. There is a very cute large ribbon. So inside this shopping bag, is that it? Yep. Is a dust bag. And this dust bag is what I've seen before. It says Demellier London right there. When I bought items last time from Demellier, it was actually on the Nordstrom website, so it didn't come with the shopping bag. It only came with the dust bag. So it's the same black cotton dust bag, so that's the same. To reveal, I don't know if you can guess what this is. This is the Paris, I think called the crossbody. The Paris comes in many different sizes and shapes. This one in particular is the longer version. So they also have one that's top handle, and I think they have a clutch, but you can see that this one is a little bit thicker. It has a back slip pocket, and the style, the Paris style, has this little button here where you can open like so. So just a quick overview of the bag. This bag is made of smooth cowhide leather and it has gold hardware. And you can see that there are no feet. It is accordion style. And I already showed you the back pocket here. It actually has a snap button closure, which is kind of nice. So that's that. And then it has a crossbody strap, which is actually a convertible adjustable. So let me remove it. It's actually taped quite shut. You can see that the strap is quite long, but you can double it up like so. As you can see, there are actually little stickers still on here on the hardware, so it makes it hard to like slide this around. If you look closely, you can also see that there is this clasp, which you can adjust to make it shorter as well. So it's not just adjusting it from crossbody or shoulder. So this is what it looks like on the shoulder. Very comfortable. And you can also adjust it to a crossbody. Let me see if I could do, okay, yeah, there we go. So like this, now it's a longer, so then you can crossbody it like so. I'm 5'1" for reference, 155 centimeters, and you can see that crossbody does hit me right at my hips. It's perfect, but you can adjust it, like I said, because there is an option to do that on the strap. The strap is removable because you can undo this clasp up here, but I don't know what you, I mean, actually, I could see somebody like putting like a scarf through the top right here instead of this leather strap. That would look actually really cute. So let's look inside the bag. You get inside the bag by pushing this button right here, and it pops open. It also closes just by pushing it in like this. And then on the inside, it is also leather lined, smooth leather. Okay, and there is a Demellier stamp right there, just like there is a Demellier stamp right here on the hardware. It may be hard to see because there's still some stickers on it, but otherwise there are no other indication of the brand. On the inside, like it looks like on the outside, there are two split compartments. It looks like maybe this one's slightly larger than this one, but overall it is a pretty, you know, substantial size. And then there's a very small slip pocket right there, which it has more information about their leather and how to take care of this bag. The lining on here is the canvas material, so it is a little bit lighter than if it were leather, and yeah, it's very well made. Without any stuffing now in here because it's empty, if I pushed it in, it's just as easy to close. Some bags, when it's like the push shut, if there's nothing in it, it could be hard to close, but this one looks very easy. It looks like the material's stiff enough where like it can still allow you to press in even if it's empty. So yeah, I have to give this a try. I mean, I obviously do like this one a lot better than the other two that I purchased before. I think this one fits my style a lot more. Like I said, I did get this one on sale, and so if it's still available, I will link this below. I will also link other options as well below. This is one of many colors that they offer in this Paris crossbody, but they also have a top handle, they have a clutch, they have a lot of different styles as well that looks like this. I love the little like piping border on the side as well. So yeah, there isn't a strong leather smell, but I do like it a little bit already more than the other one that I unboxed, because that one had a chemical smell. This one does not. This one smells very like normal bag. It doesn't have like a strong leather kind of in your face, but it does feel very, very nice. So I cannot wait to start using this and giving you a review a little bit later. But yeah, I think this is a great purchase from what I can see so far. Of course, I will let you know if there's a wear and tear or scuffs or anything that comes along with this, but so far so good. In case you wanted to get a quick idea of what this size looks like, this is my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, and you can kind of see the size right here. I can also put, I mean, this is empty right now, but just so that you can kind of see for size, the Louis Vuitton mini pochette can fit in the front of the bag like that, and then it can also fit into the back slot as well, like that. So in case you wanted to know kind of like size reference, that is what you can put in it. But I don't think you can put a water bottle just because this bag is segmented in the middle. Anything more bulky would not be able to fit in here. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, give it the thumbs up. Like I said, I also did unbox another handbag, which should either be available to view already, or it's about to come on soon. I hope you guys take advantage of the sale from Demellier. If you are interested, like I said, I'll list the links below. If you did pick up something, I would love to hear your thoughts on it, or if you have this bag already, would love to hear your thoughts on it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.